This is the exact moment a kitchen staple becomes an industrial phenomenon. It's the creamy foundation of American classics. But how is this iconic condiment produced on a scale that supplies a nation?
The journey begins here, in a state-of-the-art facility where precision meets massive output.
It starts with core ingredients. Fresh, grated eggs arrive under strict food safety protocols. In a fully automated process, eggs are cracked and separate with incredible speed and hygiene.
The liquid egg is immediately pasteurized to ensure safety while preserving its emulsifying properties.
The other main components arrive in bulk: neutral vegetable oil, vinaigrette, salt, and natural seasonings. The secret to mayonnaise is emulsification, permanently blending oil and water-based ingredients, which naturally separate.
The process begins by creating the perfect aqueous base, dissolving all spices and seasonings evenly. This is the heart of the operation, the industrial emulsifier. It provides the intense mechanical force.
Oil is metered in slowly while the mixer blades shear it into microscopic droplets, creating the signature thick, creamy texture.
The freshly emulsified mayonnaise is held in sterile tanks, ready for the next critical phase.
Quality control is continuous. Technicians test for perfect viscosity, the key to that spoonable, non-runny consistency.
Meanwhile, jars undergo a rigorous sterilization process to ensure a perfectly clean environment for the product.
Precision filling nozzles deliver the exact same amount into every jar, ensuring value and consistency for the consumer. Caps are applied and tightened to a precise specification, sealing in freshness and quality. The jar receives its instantly recognizable label, a badge of trust for generations of American consumers. Each jar is coded for complete traceability, a critical part of modern food safety systems.
A final optical inspection ensures every jar that leaves the line is perfect in weight, appearance, and seal.
Jars are bundled into retail-friendly multi-packs, ready for store shelves.
Robotic packers place the units into cases with unwavering speed and precision, optimizing logistics.
Cases are automatically built into warehouse-ready pallets, a symphony of automated logistics. Pallets are wrapped for stability and protection on their journey to distribution centers.
From here, the product enters a vast supply chain network, destined for supermarkets and kitchens across the country. Beyond the line, scientists perform a full battery of tests: microbiological, chemical, and sensory.
This is where the factory line meets American tradition, transforming simple ingredients into the creamy heart of beloved dishes.
It's a continuous cycle of science, scale, and consistency, producing an icon that has earned its place in the American pantry.